Hi friends, very good evening to you all. Today the market was very volatile. Before I get into that, I would just want to bring your attention to the pre-market call which we had shared yesterday. We had 39,100 where we had given a target of 540. The same was done in the opening itself. The first 15 minutes there was a big fall where our put got triggered and yeah, here is the call. I was just looking for this. So if you see this was given 39, one moment, how do I, so this was the pre-market which had shared 39, 100, B above 450, target of 530, 590, stop loss 402. And this got triggered in the opening itself, I think, and hit about 540 or so. And if I'm right, the 3900, 39,000 call never got triggered. So today, if you see, market actually showed signs of moving up at some point in time. Of course, the first 15 minutes was very, uh, very volatile and moved down. It took support and then it showed signs of going up to 39,300. However, it stayed and then fell down because of the data that was released. There was a news which came uh, about the recession. If the interest rates are getting increased, continue to increase by Fed, then there is a recession coming in. So this led to the downfall for the last half an hour or so, or 1 hour or so. What are we expecting tomorrow? As per the data, as per the open interest, if you see Nifty, the PCR is 0.5, it is oversold. However, that does not mean we are oversold and we need to move up. But then if we look at the put writing at 17,000, there was huge put writing which is done. And when you look at Bank Nifty, the picture is actually at 0.6 or so. You see that put writing was done on 39,000 and he's still holding. Now price of Bank Nifty has moved below 39 by almost 400 points or so. So somewhere this put writer is very strong and he feels that market by closing may close about 39,000 or so. That gives me a confidence and a feel that market by expiry should move up. And today I was mentioning in one of the groups that uh, Dow Jones is currently at 29,000 and I'm expecting 30,000. And likewise, Dow Jones from 29,000 moved a little down and right now made a high of 29,650. Apart from this, If you look at the FI data, now they have written huge calls. They do not hold much of positions in the put side. These factors give me a strong feeling looking at the chart that market will fall down. The other thing I would want to show you, sorry, market will move up tomorrow. The other thing I want to show you is, if you see here the chart, the Nifty especially, it looks more like a uh, head and shoulder pattern. These are the shoulders, and this looks like the head. Anyway, so tomorrow, as per my view, as per the option chain data, as per the chart, especially when I'm seeing the Dow Jones, I see a very strong up move, and also there is a very strong support on Nifty at 16,956. So tomorrow, hopefully, we should see some big move coming in. Uh, because we could be completely wrong also. Uh, there could be a short covering rally, which we can see. However, I would not suggest to take immediately go for call. My view is I would possibly go long if Nifty sustains above this level of 17, 62 or 1750 levels. Above this, I see a target of above this, I see a possible target of 17,125, and if this also is taken off, the next levels we can see is 17,162 and 17,200. Also, we need to see this breakout happening and market sustaining for some time above this level. So this is the and the basis the order flow and the option chain data live. We would think of whether to go long or we would want to short it. On the lower side, if market is not sustaining the level which we are thinking of 1750, then we would possibly look to go short on the lower side and for a possible target of 16,930, and if this also is taken out, then the next target we can expect is 6860 or so. So we are basically, I would say, prepared for all the levels, and we would trade, we would take an informed decision. This is the order flow and other factors. When we look at Bank Nifty, as I had also mentioned, this is the put writer. If price tends to sustain somewhere close to about 38,880 level, then we are expecting at our next level of 39,000, and more short covering or rally upwards could also be seen where we could see 39 200, 39 200, and also 39 400, 39 320 also. So these basically are our levels for tomorrow. On the short side, on the short side, if the price doesn't sustain about 38,800 or so, then possibly and we may think of going on short for a possible target of 38,500 and 38,300 or so. Today, now we had shared a couple of calls, couple of stop losses were hit, and some of the positions we still holding. Like Pidilite futures, we are still holding. Jubilant Food we are checked. This also we are holding for tomorrow or the coming day. Meanwhile, friends, if you have any questions or any queries, request you to ask. We would be glad to answer them and help you accordingly. Meanwhile, friends, if you have, meanwhile, we also would want to look at stocks like Maruti. Maruti mentioning that there's a short below 8766 and target was 8710. In fact, I think it has gone much lower to that. Um, are we still looking to short Maruti, or we would like to go long? It's something which I think we will decide basis the price and the data, the US data. If the data of US uh, is lesser than expected, or the inflation data is, lesser than what has been anticipated in the market, then there is a strong market possibility that Dow Jones may move further up from 39,000 what we are 30,000 what we are expecting to 30,800 or 31,000 also. Uh, Crude, if you see, has good 1.5%, which is good for the bank, and we do not have to pay much amount. So that could also be one of the deciding factor. We also see that dollar is has not moved above 101, 130 level, and is being uh, sustaining below these levels of 113 to 114 gives us a strong feeling that market will be positive as well. We are also looking at a couple of stocks uh, like Diamond, which we are looking to accumulate as this trend line. So the trend line has been supported, and there has been quite a bit of buying which has happened in this equity spread. However, if this price moves below 15,000, then we would expect 1,000, sorry, 1,000, 1,500, then you may expect 1,430 level also. So we would probably pump in few there. We would look to add in few stocks or buy in few quantities at this level and wait and see how the market unfolds. Also, we see that it has been very flattish, not much of big moves which is happening. So if somebody is keen on, we can add a few quantities in this sector. Some of our friends were asking about uh, TCS, Tata Motors. So we will look at Tata Motors. Actually, Tata Motors has been very weak and it has not sustained above 418 levels, and we see much more downside coming in this stock, and it has also broken the trend line. When I say when much more is coming, I would want to enter unless this stock sustain above 400 and 450 levels to go long on this stock. I have our friend Asaf Ullah who is asking about rate gain travel technology. Rate gain travel technology. So the stock seems to have been listed at 330 levels. It has come down as low as 240. However, it is what we are seeing is there is still a downtrend which is going on. Also, what we also can see there is a bit of accumulation which has been happening at this point. It gives us a feeling that after some period of time, the price of this, even if it comes to 200 levels or so, we can see some up move up to 400 and 560 or so. So, if as per the risk appetite, if you can do a SIP on this stock, you could definitely hold this for 550 levels or so. However, we also need to look at the depth of the stock and the FI holding. We'll get rate in technology. Whenever you are holding a stock, it is always better to look at the FI holding, the promoter holding. Promoter holding is 55%, FIs are 8%, mutual fund is 7, and institution holdings is around 15.6. FI holding remains the same. However, in the last year, they seem to have reduced by 1% or almost partially. So I would suggest to wait as I see the promoter share is being reduced. Also, the FI holdings also have reduced. However, we see of course the mutual fund holding has increased. So based on this, we could invest part of your capital or this when it comes to 200 levels or 240 levels. So I would suggest to do a shift of every month or quarterly, which will average out and then you should take returns in the longer term, like say example, yeah, 1 or 2 years or so. Hope I have able to answer your queries effectively. So let us look at Tata Power. What I see is Tata Power has not been doing much. There has been a bit of short which has happened, and currently it is looking flattish. Uh, we have to see if this price sustains about 208 levels, and if there are strong buying activity which brings in the stock up to 250 again in couple of weeks time or so. The other stock I think you can look at is adding Ambuja. Uh, it is retesting this uh, breakout. So there is a possibility that it consolidates here again and then move towards 580 or 560 levels or so. These levels are mostly in equity and this will be uh, these are not options. I would not suggest to trade on F&O unless you understand the strategies behind on how to hedge whenever the market goes in the opposite direction. Let's also look at major indices. The today major hit was IT, metals, and to certain extent uh, pharma as well. Now Bank Nifty supported for some time. With this fall from the reality, media and other sectors, Bank Nifty also moved down slowly. With this fall in the media, I think I would want to wait because price is also not sustained. Now price sustained above this support, it moved up. It has formed a strong resistance at this level and again coming down. So if somebody is planning to invest in media, I would suggest to wait because we can also see 2000 levels coming in the media sector as well. Let's look at FMCG. FMCG, uh, they say whenever market falls, the good place to stock, good to buy. However, what I can see is there has been big fall which is happening on this trend, which is also giving us to buy good quality stock like Hindustan Unilever, Dabur, and other stocks at lower levels at a discounted price. Auto now has fallen, and I can see that it is consolidating and probably getting prepared for a bigger up move. So one may look to add stocks maybe like M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. We also look at Ashok Leyland. course, when I talk about Mahindra and Mahindra, there is still definitely some fall which can come up to 1,200 levels or so. However, depending on the risk appetite one can take, one can slowly start accumulating stocks in this as it comes to 1,200 levels. So deploy 20-30% the present level and maybe add when it comes lower by 4-5% or so. So thank you friends for joining us. I hope you like our videos. If you like our channel, please do share our channel to your friends and so that it can be useful for others. Meanwhile, you can also reach us out on 7411 We also do conduct training on how to analyze the chart, how to understand open interest data, how to understand the SI data as well. We also teach you how to look at the option chain on the live market so that you are pretty confident on trading when you're taking any position. Because when you're looking at charts along with the fundamentals, that is the data, your analysis, your conviction on the call, whether you are buying a call or a put, will be much stronger because you have all the supporting factors and the knowledge which can be utilized effectively. So any serious minded people who are really keen to learn and earn from this market, please will contact us and we will be very happy to join you in our training program. So thank you all and wish you all the best for tomorrow. Happy profiting